How to open a crab 101. We have here our guest, Miss Lovely J Sunog, for our crab opening. Let's start. You start off with a crab. There must be a crab, of course, because you won't be able to open it if there's nothing.
Yeah, right.
The second step is you will be holding the crab like that, like you see the lubot part, and then you slightly open the door. It's like a door. You open the door, it's open. Voila!
Voila!
Treasure! A treasure! So grand, so amazing. And there is your How to Open a Crab 101.
How to
Enjoy!
Already? You have to count man, bro.
Part 2. Yes, part 2.
Ay, okay.
Ikaw man yung account niya.
Stop sana ako.